Kazan Academy presents Christmas with the Classics. Phoebe Mall owns the bakery that's been in her family for generations. Clifford Pincheon runs the other family bakery that's been in this small New England town. Each year, the two bakeries square off in the county Christmas gingerbread house decoration contest. This year, a new bakery is opened. Owned by an outsider from the West Coast, Holgrave has his sights on the prize of getting the bid for all of the wedding cakes at the House of Seven Gables Event Center. In order to prevent an outsider from winning, Phoebe and Clifford decide to share ideas on their gingerbread houses to make them better than ever. As they begin working together, it isn't just the oven that's heating up. The two realize that there's much more to their relationship than the long-standing family feud. Will Phoebe and Clifford be able to stave off the competition and set aside their family feud, or will an outsider destroy their family bakeries? Kazan Academy's 23rd of 25 Christmas classics, The House of Seven Garlands.